Okay, so today's the day that me and Joey over there get my RX-7 on the trailer, and we're gonna go swap the engine out today. So yeah, gotta get to it. Okay, so car's loaded up, so we're gonna get over to the storage now. Okay, so I just made it to my storage facility, and we're gonna go ahead and get the car off, and then I'll start getting the engine ready to come out. Okay, so car's off, and now we're gonna get ready to pop this little booger in. There's the RX-8 sitting over there all dead and stuff too. Okay, so my phone's about to die, so I'll try to do this quick, but Killer Bee is out. That is my 40-year-old Junkyard engine. Lasts me 22,000 miles. So pretty. Ugly, but pretty. So now we gotta get the 12A in. So let's go ahead and do that. My phone may die, so I may not be able to record that part, but you know, if not, then I'll record the afterwards, or after whatever the fuck the word I'm trying to think of is. And there's all the shit that was in the bottom of my bell housing. A lot of debris built up there. I think most of that is like burning clutch and shit. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and install that engine now. Okay, so things didn't go exactly as planned. I guess the input shaft bearing was not in the 12A, so I'm gonna tow the car back to my house, and then well, I'm just gonna have to pop the engine in there because I have a bearing and I forget what the other little thing is, the sill for it, bearing sill, is that what it's called? Yeah, I don't know. That's what I need to put in. So 12A's in the back of the truck, RX-7's all ready to be towed again, and we also kind of made a mess in my storage facility, so we got to go to Lowe's and you know, see if they have kitty litter, or maybe the pet store. You can go there too. But yeah, and getting it on, I guess there's some coolant left in the hoses, so there's coolant all over the ground, all over there too. Kind of a bitch to do, but yeah, storage facility's locked up, and we're gonna go ahead and leave here now and come back and clean all the shit up. Okay, so we're back at my house. Car's back in its natural habitat where it lives. 12A sitting over here in the garage. Let's see, I'll go ahead and show you the issues. So if you look in there, there's no input shaft bearing or sill or anything like that. But I do have a brand new one that came with my clutch kit, so I'm going to use that. And then I'm just going to order another one after when I do the Killer Bee build and all that fun stuff. But let's see. I don't want to pop my head. Yeah, there is no engine in my shit. So, gonna take care of that probably tomorrow. My other friend Dominic's gonna come over and help me put that in because it's kind of bitch to get out. Yeah, I guess my Harbor Freight. But I have a brain fart going on right now. Cherry picker, that's what it's called. Or engine hoist. It was too short to go in from the front, and it was kind of a bitch to get in from the side too, which is what we had to do. So we're gonna have to figure something else out for getting that engine in. yeah, I'll tell you what I do tomorrow. But anyway, we're gonna go drop the trailer off because we only have it for 24 hours. And yeah, nice Joey, by the way. All right, see ya.